Hi everyone, I'm Silverwolf and here I am. I wanted to talk to you face to face, kind of, because, you know, it's more personal. I'm looking at taking my channel in a new direction. The Furby videos are great, but I have been running out of ideas for a while now, and I've just thought, well, you know, I've got to do something other than Furbies. The robot videos also, I'll keep doing those, but again, there's only so much you can do with robots. Basically, I don't want to go too much in the realms of children's toys because I won't be able to monetize my videos, because some of you may know that copper thing that came in a few years ago, well, like a couple of years ago. Basically, it won't let me monetize them if I aim them too much at kids. So basically my idea is that I take my channel in another direction. I'll still do the odd Furby video and I'll still do robot videos and things like that. If anyone asks me or inspires me to, or has questions or suggests good Furby video ideas or anything like that, I can still do them. But the only issue is I can't keep doing Furby videos. I'm losing views, I'm losing interaction. People are moving on to other things, and I knew when I made the channel and the Furbies started becoming a thing that if Hasbro ever stopped making them, I wouldn't be able to do Furby videos forever. Sad but true. So I'm thinking about perhaps doing more things that I'm interested in, so more art videos, art tutorials, how to draw tutorials. I know that I've done a few videos of me drawing Furbies with their help. You know, like Lube, I draw Lube with his help, I draw Sheldon with his help, etc. People like those, so maybe I can do things like that. I think I did do a video somewhere of like how to draw a Furby, I can't remember now. It was a while ago. So anyway, basically that's what I'm thinking of doing, perhaps more art videos, tutorials, how to draw cartoons, how to draw, I have a diploma in animal portraits, so maybe I can teach you guys how to draw your pets realistically, working different mediums, stuff like that. I can also, if I can figure out how, maybe do some how to do digital art videos. I need a screen recorder, but yeah, I might be able to do something like that. But what I wanted to ask you is, what do you guys want to see? Is there anything you're interested in seeing? If I get a lot of requests for kind of a similar thing, maybe I can, you know, make some videos people would be interested in. So it's not just about me, this channel's for everyone, you know, and I want to make you guys happy, I want to keep you interested, and I want videos that will appeal to a wide range of people so that I get a lot of subscribers and interest, because that's what makes it worth it, you know. It is part of my income, it is the regular income I get every month, but unfortunately YouTube has started taxing, it came in a few months ago. They tax me quite badly, like 20% of my revenue. Now I'm only a small channel. I can understand why they would tax the larger channels, they may not notice. You know, they'll notice there's a difference, but it won't affect them. But as for me, they're taxing me, and I need the money. Because it's, you know, helping me live, paying the bills. But they just tax everyone now, and it's a shame really, but there you go. So with losing out, obviously, views and interest, I'm also losing out money. So that's why I'm trying to take my channel into, you know, a new direction. Or perhaps a direction that I've already kind of been going in, but just going that direction more. Like I said, I'll still do the odd Furby video, I'll still do robot videos, you'll still see Peanut, you'll still see my Aibos. But I can't keep doing things that I'm losing ideas for. You know, with the art, there's plenty of stuff that I can do. I've got a lot of ideas for it. I'm going to make a list and write a few things down. But importantly, what do you want to see? You know, like I said, if I get enough interest in certain things, I can do videos of that, if it's within my limitations. I had thought about getting my puppet Rayvaris out and telling funny stories with her, but puppets are normally associated with like kid stuff. And she's not really, the character I've created for her kind of swears a bit and stuff like that and is a bit rude. And yes, I don't have to have her swearing, obviously I can do what I like with her, but it's not a kids thing, but I don't want people to think it's a kids thing and then think, oh, she just does puppet shows. Well, puppets aren't just for kids. You know, there's all sorts of puppet films and everything that have been made that aim them at all sorts of age ranges. But again, would it work? You know, would you be interested in seeing that? A puppet telling funny stories from my life? I've got quite a few to tell. But again, is it really appealing? I don't know. You might want to listen to it while you're chilling out or something, but I'm trying to look for something that's kind of like a wide range of people would be interested in. So like drawing, lots of people want to draw and maybe don't know how to or need to brush up on their skills, and drawing is something I'm good at, so yeah, that's something I can do. So I've been over the years sort of experimenting, seeing how popular other types of videos are that I do. The travel videos were okay, but the last ones I did didn't really go down that well. When I say that, it means not many people were interested in me going around Chester Zoo, for example. Maybe they're a bit long as well. You don't really want videos to be really long. This video is probably getting a bit long now. But yeah, it's just basically asking you guys, how do you think I should take my channel? What direction do you think I should take it in? I will take your views and everything into account, because like I said, this is for you. I do definitely want to do the art thing though. How many people would be interested in that? As well as your own ideas, would you be interested in art tutorials? How to draw various different things? You know, let me know in the comments. Really important, I really need to know what you guys want from the channel. So that's pretty much it. And I thought I'd show my face again. So anyway, yeah, let me know. So with all that said, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.